Yo, 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 it's me, your boy, the Ghetographer, once again back at you with another unboxing video. I said another unboxing video. And today we're going to be unboxing these little puppies right here. Now, these normally go for $29, the ARTTI Bluetooth wireless headphone, and have ANC. These normally go for $29.99. But today, this week probably, these are going for $11.99. Someone say that one more time. $11.99, guys. So, you know, if you're really into trying to save some money, this might be a good bet to do. So let's go ahead and get into the give you some of the details on this real quick, and then we'll get into the eagle eye view. All right, let's see what this has to say. Okay, immersive with excellent audio. Enjoy superior sound quality with double layer composite diaphragm technology and active noise cancellation, effectively blocking out ambient noise and bustling environments such as subways, busy streets, ensuring crystal clear calls and video chats. Now, you know, for $11.99, I don't know, for $29.99, that sounds like a big deal there. Okay, one set of audio pairing, experience the hassle-free connective with Bluetooth 5.3, says 90 hours of battery life with charging case. All right, so 90 hours with the charging case, but you get for each earbud, you get 3.5 hours. And it takes about 1.5 hours to charge, while charging case can be recharged them up to 5 times. So the charging case can charge up your headsets 5 times. So that's pretty good. Customizable EN mode, tailor your listening experience with 3 built-in EQ modes. Okay, that's cool. You got economic fitting, design, comfort. These lightweight in-ear headphones are ideal for gamers and musical enthusiasts alike. Okay, guys, that's about it. Now that's a lot for $11.99. Normally go for $29.99. So guys, hey guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get to the eagle eye view. All right, we're in the eagle eye view, guys, and this is how the box looks. Now I'm gonna tell you something. This is kind of heavy, guys, kind of solid. So this is kind of heavy. So, you know, this might be a good pair. I don't know, but look at this, how it looks. They are 03s on this thing. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox. Here go my unboxing knife today. Don't wanna. Hopefully that's good enough. I'm trying to cut myself. There we go. There we go. How did this open? I guess open up like this. Let me turn it this way. Okay. Yeah. So okay, this is a pretty decent unboxing. You know, normally not cheap, but budget stuff come with budget unboxing, and this thing is right now making me mad. There we go. Okay, so we have the instruction manual. Okay, I'll just drop something. I'll get that in a little bit. Okay, instruction manual. Okay. Oh, look at it. Now, I like that, guys. And this is heavy. I feel like this is made from, like, metal. This is really heavy. All right, we're going to put this right here. We're going to take it out there. So that's pretty good materials right there, guys. So this might be something that is good. And we have some extra ear tips. I'm not gonna take them out. And we have the USB-A, USB-C. All right, so let's get that. I like the way this look. I like the way this look, guys. Look at that. And this is kind of heavy. I'm trying to tell you this is kind of heavy. Now, I don't know why this. I hope this is not an old pair they gave me. Look at that. That's kind of messed up right there. So hopefully this is a new pair. All right. Okay, that comes out. Okay. Okay. Let's see. All right, now I'm gonna be honest with you. I wish they had something over it, but the matte looks good. So this is how it looks, guys. So it has ANC, ARTTI, and you have your USB-C and light. And let's see. All right, that's kind of good. They don't come out. Oh, that came out, but I had to really vigorously give them a shaking. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and get to the weighing them. Let's see how they stack as far as the weight. You got 52 right there, and these are, you got 74 grams. So that's about a 24-gram difference. So that's kind of heavy, guys. So I mean, it's not heavy, but you know, I've never seen this frill's heavy because this is most likely made out of metal. So that's pretty good. So let's go ahead and get it charged up. We're going to use this one first, guys, just to show you that the wire comes with works. Okay, let's see how this. So there you go. It is charging. It's charging. Okay. So then what we're going to do real quick, we're going to use this right here. All right, there you go. It's working. All right. Now let's get rid of this. Let's go ahead and give it a see if it fast charges. We'll be using USB-C, USB-C. There we go. So it does. You're able to use fast charging with it as well. So what we're going to do, guys, I'm gonna let it go ahead and charge up for a little while. Then we're gonna go ahead and pair it up. I don't think there is a app that goes with it. So we're gonna pair it up, and then we're gonna probably take it out, do a little talking, and then I'll come back and listen to the music, you know, on video, see how that sounds. Okay, all right, guys. Here we go. See, got that up and running. We're gonna go ahead and take these out. See, we can get them to come up. I'm thinking that's it right there. No, there they go. It came up right there. It came up, took a minute or two. And so we'll say pair. And they're paired up. They fit pretty well. They're paired up, but they don't say nothing. I'm trying to see if they say something. Now, I'm going to tell you, I'm already get upset with this because you have to make sure that it's in there. If it ain't in there, you see, it won't come on. You have to make sure they're in there, you know, so I might get a little used to, you know. So let's see if they say anything when I put them back on. And now it does say connected. Okay, guys, so that's it. It's connected. So I'm going to get up to 100% battery life, take them out, talk on them, see how they sound. Yo, we're back to listen to some music real quick so I can let you know how the ARTTI sound. All right, guys, I'll go ahead and put them in. Now, gotta realize these are just like most of any other earbuds when it comes to putting them, getting a nice firm seal. As you can see, they're not coming out. I did wear them while I was talking, and you do get a little bit of, if your ears are prone to sweat on the inside, then they are going to slip out after you wearing them for a little while. Well, I got about 45 minutes before they start doing that. So about 45 minutes for me. You know, if you don't have that problem, you won't have that problem. Okay, let's get into some music real quick. Now, it does say Does let you know it's on. Now, if you want to switch the ANC on or off, you have to hit the button till you hear click, hold it. It'll say ANC on. You hit it again, hold it. It'll put on transparency, and then you hit it again. Just hold it. ANC off. Now, if you go to the, I think the left one, you hold it. It'll say game mode. Hold it again until you hear it. It'll say music mode. So you only have game mode and music mode when you hit it on the left side. So we're gonna put on music mode. Okay. All right. So let's get into it. All right, guys, it sounds really good so far. The bass is, when you have it on music mode, the bass is kind of high, so you can hear the bass, you can hear the mids, you can't hear the lows, so it sounds pretty good. Let me change the mute. Let me change the genre real quick. Let's see. Okay, let's see how. Let's see how this song sounds. Sounds really good, guys. Let me listen to one more song. I'm trying to hit a couple of different genres. Guys, they sound very, very good. Now, for them to only be $11 on sale, and we're talking about $11.99 on sale and $29 off sale, and these don't feel cheap. They got a nice weight to them. A little too heavy, but it's not cheap. I did talk with them and had one in while I was talking, and that lasted for about 3 hours. No, what is it? About an hour and some odd minutes, and I put the other one in. So you get roughly about an hour to 2 hour talk time if you're talking with them on a constant basis. I did that. So I do like these. Guys, when we get into the actual, me telling you, for $11.99, even for $29.99, at this moment, before I even give you, take a minute to think, you're getting a very good deal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead, put my thoughts together, and I'll be back to give you my final thoughts and giving the ARTTI my grade. See you in a minute. Yo, I'm back to give my final thoughts on the ARTTI AR03 Truly Wireless headset. And guys, these are a buy. I think this is the star or the top of my budget lineup in 2025. Now, these are on sale right now for $11.99. Just hit the link. If you hit the link, I get a little something. So, after this, hit the link. You can get them. Regular price at $29.99, and they're still worth that price. Way above that price, to be honest with you. Now, let's get to it. Design and finish. I like the way this design. I let about 3 to 4 different people hold this in their hand. They said it felt like a premium product. The weight, now a little too heavy. I ain't gonna lie to you, a little too heavy. But they don't look like a budget pair. Sometimes you get a good budget pair to sound good, but the presentation is not good. The presentation with this one is pretty good. Now, the design and finish, I do like. Now, I'm gonna tell you my thing. I ducked a whole point because I don't like the way they fit in, this go into this. Now, I was driving. I had one in talking, had to switch it out. And with my other ones I use, they're easier to put in. I tried to put one in, it didn't go in, it fell on the floor, because you have to be kind of precise when you put them in there. If not, there's a little, it'll hang out like that. So I deducted the whole point. So it's a 4 out of 5 for design and finish. Fit, I gave it a 4.5. The fit is pretty good. To me, they feel like any other, you know, wireless Bluetooth, you know, fits the same way. They stayed in my ear. I used them for a while. I got some ear sweat, and you know, they will start falling out. So they did do that, but they feel like any other. So I give it a 4.5. Music, guys, the music on here is really good. It punches way above its weight. I think it literally goes. The music sound to me goes into the mid range type of earbuds. So the music, it sound really good. So I did give the music a 4 out of 5. The calls are calls, but they did pretty good. One of my friends, I asked 4 friends. One gave it a 4. Another one gave it a 4. Another one gave it a 4, and the last one gave it a 3.75. So, I mean, last one gave it a 3.0. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. 4, 4, 4, 3. The overall rating will be 3.75 out of 5. ANC is ANC. It's okay. Now, I'm going to tell you one thing about this. The actual pass-through mode, it's loud. It's loud. It's really loud. A little too loud, if you ask me. ANC, it worked. I took it outside. It worked. It's not going to do better than some of the top of the line or even a mid grade. So I give it a 3.5 out of 5. I think the ANC is just decent. It'll get you through. Now price. I gave the price a 5.0. Listen, guys. The way the economy is a lot of earbuds are coming out now saying that they're a good budget pair, but the sound is messed up. The ANC don't really work. And the ARTTI AR03s really do work. They don't look like a budget pair. They don't feel like a budget pair, but they are a budget pair. And for $11.99 right now, or when it goes off a sale at $29.99, you can't beat these. So if you need, and then if you lose these, you can go online for $29.99 unless they go up. I don't see them going up because the regular price is $29. You get another pair. If you lose a pair of iPod, you know, of the Apple ones or the Samsung ones, and if you're looking at $149 to $200, this right here, guys, these are really good. These are dope. So altogether, guys, is a 4.12. A 4.12. These are really good. So if you're looking for a pair, if your child is looking for a pair, you don't want to spend a lot of money, get them these. They don't feel cheap at all. These feel like they're a mid-grade, even a little bit premium if you ask me. So guys, that's the end of the ARTTI AR03. They're really good. Go buy your pair. You won't regret it. Hey, before we go, guys, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. And say that one more time, please. Like, share, subscribe. Anytime we get thumbs up or you share it, the YouTube gods, they love it. They eat it up. They push it out to more people so more people can see this channel on our side of the YouTube space. I want to thank my current and new subscribers for still rocking with the channel. We're growing. So I thank you for the growth yet again. This is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video. Guys, we got some more unboxing videos coming soon, so hit the notification bell wherever it is. I don't know where it is. Wherever it is, you hit that notification bell and you will be notified anytime we drop a brand new video. You have a good day. Peace.